Hello, my dear. Do you know the use of sure to, certain to, bound to, likely to, and unlikely to? If you don't know the use of sure to, certain to, bound to, and likely to, and if you want to know the use of these words, in which context we have to use sure to, certain to, bound to, likely to, and unlikely to, today's video, my dear, is going to be very fruitful for you. So don't go anywhere. Before starting into the video, I'm going to tell you one important thing. That is, my dear, Dear LG is one of this channel. Dear LG is one of the best channel in YouTube to get authentic information and knowledge about English grammar and literature. Let's start the video. Today's topic is, my dear, today's topic is degrees of probability or the prediction we are going to predict. Predict means future. Change the sentences below using sure to, certain to, bound to, likely to, and unlikely to. So I'm going to tell you examples and those questions answer them, my dear. Question and answer. Today's video is going to be about Q&A, question and answer. I'm going to give examples and questions and answers, my dear. Let's enter into the video there. As I told you already, change the sentences below using sure to, certain to, bound to, likely to, and unlikely to. Now the important point in this video, my dear, I'm going to tell you the structure in which context you have to use sure to, in which context you have to use certain to, in which context you have to use bound to, in which context you have to use likely to, and in which you have to use unlikely to. Listen carefully, don't go anywhere, pay attention, my dear. Number one, if you see definitely, certainly, or certain in the question, you need to use what certain to or bound to. You can use certain to and bound to interchangeably, my dear. Number two, if you see probably, expect, think, or let me say I think, future tense positive, definitely use likely to. Once again, probably, expect, think, future tense positive is equal to likely to. Number three, if you see probably, certainly, definitely plus won't means negative or future tense negative, please use unlikely to. And if you see I am sure in the sentence, please use sure to in the answer. You might be asked this kind of questions. Change the sentences below using sure to, certain to, bound to, likely to, and unlikely to. Let's understand by examples one by one. Okay, number one, my dear, I am sure a new chairman will be appointed soon. As I told already, I am sure is equal to sure to. That is why a new chairman is sure to be appointed soon. A new chairman is the subject there. Number two, he probably won't arrive. Probably won't is equal to unlikely to. You can see the structure as well, my dear. Probably won't. That is why he is unlikely to arrive. Number three, I doubt if the miners will go on strike. I doubt if. You can see there, I doubt if. Future tense. That is negative. That is why you need to write there, the miners are unlikely to go on strike. Number four, in 10 years time, everyone will have a digital watch. That is future tense positive. That is why in 10 years of time, everyone is likely to have a digital watch. Number five, the price of bread will definitely go up within a few weeks. The price of bread is certain to go up within a few weeks. The price of bread will definitely, or definitely is equal to, you can say certain to or bound to. That is why the price of bread is certain to go up within a few weeks. Number six, there will probably be more fighting in the capital. There will probably, that is why likely to. There is likely to be more fighting in the capital, my dear. Number seven, by the end of the century, cars will probably be obsolete. Will probably is equal to likely to. That is why by the end of the century, cars are likely to be obsolete. Once again, I want to repeat the important part of this video, that is structures and rules. If you see definitely, certainly, certain is equal to, certain to or bound to. If you see probably, expect, think, future tense positive in the sentence, in the question, you need to use likely to in the answer. If you see probably, certainly, definitely plus won't, future tense negative. Got this, my dear? You need to use likely to in the answer there. If you say I'm sure in the question, please use sure to in the answer. So I think, my dear, this video is very fruitful for you. If it is true, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching.